Namaskar. I'm very delighted and excited to be in Manav Rachna University today, where iFly Drone Laboratory was inaugurated with variety of drones which were all placed there, having different types of applications. And the lab is going to train students in three major domains. Number one, drone pilots. There are a huge number of applications for which drones are to be flown. So I fly drone means you have to be ready for flying the drones. And then what height, where you have to move, all of that training will make them good pilots for drones. This is number one. Number two, drones have a lot of items, electronic circuitry, mechanical items, and they sometimes will go wrong, and therefore fixing them up or repairing them, maintaining them is another very important area which is also going to be done by this particular lab. The third area is the real applications, whether it is transportation of some goods or spraying of fertilizers or spraying of insecticides or quantum of insecticide, which kind of insecticides, by way of visioning the crop, the kind of disease which is developing, for that which is the right insecticide, finding it out, going and filling that in the tank, then going and spraying in the right area rather than wasting that insecticide. I think these are all challenges which this particular lab, which is iFly Drone, is going to do. Thank you very much. Namaskar.